Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to show you how to enter the pairing mode on your headphones. Let me quickly unpair my headphones from my phone so that you can see that my headphones are in the pairing mode. So, they should actually be flashing like this, and actually maybe let me pair my headphones so that it will be shown to you clearly. You need to find this power button right here, which is actually the multifunctional one, this one right here. And once you tap this button, wait a moment, I need to focus on my headphones like that. If you tap this button right here 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, you'll enter the pairing mode. That's it, bye.